Hey you, do you want to make Minecraft thumbnails in 2023? Well, this is the perfect video for you. Anyways, watch until the end to see how you make Minecraft thumbnails. Anyways, leave a like and subscribe if you want more videos like this, but other than that, enjoy this video. Alright, so you have to go on 𝕃𝕀ℕ𝕂𝕊𝕂.com to create Minecraft thumbnails. So first of all, go to new project, click create. Then you'll see this blank screen right here. So actually you could customize it. You could like double click that button right here, go right here on granite overlay, and then you could actually make your own kind of background. So you see these black dots right here, you can actually move it around, and this tiny one actually, like, you can adjust it. All right, I'm actually going to be changing the color. You can actually choose whatever color you want. I'm going to go for this color, this deep blue kind of color. I know it's not that good, but by the way, you gotta go to this T button right here if you want to type in stuff, or my YouTube name. Then you can actually adjust it, make it bigger. You can actually invert it, you can actually rotate it. There is total layer styles. I actually downloaded it. I'm actually going to be putting it in the description if you guys want to get it, so like strokes and stuff like that. But I am going to show you how to do that right now. So choose white, choose the size right here. You can actually make it inside, in the center, inside, or you can make it outside, which it looks much better. And after you did that, if you don't want this black color right here, you can actually change it right here. Just choose like blue, and then there, that's how you change it. So yeah, by the way guys, I'm actually going to be using this, the Mega Pack by V2 by Johnny right here. So this is actually where I actually make my thumbnail. Got a better sky. There we go guys, we got our clickbait sky right here, or not clickbait, just like normal sky. So there we go. It actually kind of looks a little bit blurry. I'm so sorry if it is blurry, but you can always go on export as. There we go, GPG, and then choose the quality. You can make it bad, just like this. Look how bad it looks. Or you can make it cool. Alright, so I'm actually going to add my little guy right here, right there, and I'm actually going to be making the floor. So this is how I make my floor, guys. Just do this rectangle tool, this white rectangle right there. Then you could click this black box right here, click the flooring, the color. There we go, just do that, and then just drop it down right here. You guys see that, right? Drop it down. I'm so sorry if I'm not using my webcam, by the way. Comment down below if you guys like seeing my videos without a webcam or not. But yeah, let's do that real quickly. Just this. You can actually mess around with this, guys. I'm going to be showing you. So you can actually make it the perfectors like this. Look guys, it's literally, oh my, it's falling down, and you can make it stretch out. There we go. Then I'm actually going to be adding my own arrow type right here, right there. There we go. And then I'm just gonna search up any image you want, or just do this. Wait, let me see. There we go. Let's put this all the way up. Let's put how to make, or just tutorial. There we go, just tutorial like so, and just put it down right here. Actually, what I like to do is just do this, just go all the way up, treasure, PNG, Minecraft. There we go. Any image you want, just do this, and then boom, there we go guys. You can rotate it, do whatever you want. Actually inserted it without downloading it and copying the image. You just do this, or oh, there it is. Oh, there it is. There's the barrel. Add a little shower. Then you could just do this. Oh my god. Oh, by the way guys, if you don't know how to change the color, go to image, adjust, go to hue saturation, and then just adjust it. You guys see that, right? It's changing the colors. You can make it dark or no color, just like gray, or you could just make it the lightness is. And yeah, that's how you make Minecraft. Oh my, whoa, you guys saw that, right? Yo, look at this. And yeah guys, that's how you make Minecraft thumbnails for 𝕃𝕀ℕ𝕂𝕂. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next time. Peace.